Hi, my name is Gerhard Schwant and welcome to Selling Power TV. Today we have the pleasure of meeting with founder and CEO of Mobile Locker, Mark Stralka. Do people have difficulties pronouncing your name?
They certainly do. I get all sorts of different pronunciations, but you hit it on the head.
Thank you. What got you to start Mobile Locker?
Well, back in 2010 when the iPad came out, I was with a company that was building apps and websites for pharmaceutical companies. And as soon as the iPad came out, one of our clients came to us and said, hey guys, can you build us an app that will let me push all of my content to my sales reps so they always have what they need when they're in the field? Because in the pharmaceutical industry, reps only get 2 or 3 minutes to meet with a doctor. So they have to have everything at their fingertips. And so when we built that app for them, we said, well, if they're going to want that app, I bet we can get our other clients to build to use the same thing. So we kind of built out Mobile Locker to solve that problem. And it was really, it was sales enablement before sales enablement was a term. So that's kind of where it started.
And how many clients did you have for the first app? Was it just that one company?
No, very quickly we had 3 or 4 clients, large, the
Right.
large pharmaceutical companies that you've heard of,
Right.
using the app for their sales teams all around the world.
So there was a very rapidly growing startup you
Yes, it
created.
was. Yeah.
Right. So how did you morph that now to what the company is doing now and helping organizations at trade shows and conferences get the information that they capture at the trade show floor directly into their CRM system?
Good question. So all along we were always listening to our customers and seeing what else could Mobile Locker do for them that would make their sales process easier. So initially it was just content. Let's push content out to our field. But then it was, well, we want to capture data when we're meeting with our customers. Forms, surveys, lead forms at trade shows, et cetera. So then we built the functionality to capture data and made sure that it worked offline. So even if they were in a hospital or a factory where they couldn't get Wi-Fi, they could capture that information. And then it was very quickly, the aha moment when we went to our own trade shows. We're walking around saying, gosh, it's kind of a pain using these badge scanners or collecting business cards and not being able to get that into our CRM right away. So we said, well, what would it take to add business card scanning and all the other features to Mobile Locker so that you can capture that information, have it fed directly back to one of the different CRMs that we support, and be able to immediately begin to communicate with those prospects sooner than everybody else at the show.
So you're really disrupting the badge scanner manufacturing business.
I think so, yeah.
That's amazing. How many customers do you have right now for Mobile Locker that operate in the trade show and conference business?
So we have about 20 or 30 customers using it at the different trade shows.
Right.
Some use it to scan badges, and you can use it at different events. And also the business card scanning works anytime you meet with a customer, so not just at trade shows.
Right.
So there's, they're using it in all sorts of different ways.
So why do you call it a sales enablement tool?
Sure. So it really is about providing the content, the tools, and the resources your reps need in the field so that they can be more effective.
Right.
So they have everything right there at their fingertips. They're not hunting through a Google Drive folder or a Dropbox folder, looking for the right file. They never have to say when they're meeting with the customer, hey, I don't have that with me. Let me get back to you. Because if you have to say, I'm going to get back to you, you can miss the sale. So you have everything you need. You have all the accurate information you need. So you're never misspeaking when or showing the wrong content to a customer.
I think it's a wonderful idea because you are able to take action when the opportunity is right in front of you. You have that conversation on the trade show floor. Do the magic, put it in the CRM system. And you're compatible with how many CRM systems right now?
Good question. So about 8 CRMs today, all the big ones, Salesforce, Dynamics, HubSpot, Oracle, and we're always adding more. And that's one of the differentiators of our product is that when we bring on a new customer and they say, well, we're using CRM XYZ. Well, we don't integrate with CRM XYZ, but give us 2 weeks, we probably will. And we don't charge them for that. So, because one CRM is very similar to another.
Right.
And with the way we've architected our platform, it's very easy to add new ones on.
How do you bill customers? On a monthly basis or per seat?
Yeah.
How does that work?
Yeah, it is per seat pricing, and it's usually monthly or annually.
Right.
And volume discounts and things like that. So it's a typical SaaS, software as a service model.
Thank you, Mark. For anybody who would like to get more information, go to mobilelocker.com. Thank you, Mark.
Thank you, Gerd.